Dear student, welcome you all in this video. Here we will learn how to prove Pythagoras theorem. This is also known as Bodleian theorem of Indian mathematics. So the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Generally question ask state and prove Pythagoras theorem. Means you have to write the statement yourself. So we will start with statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. You know hypotenuse is the sides opposite to right angle. So we have one triangle ABC in which angle A is 90 degree. We have a triangle ABC in which angle A is 90 degree, and we have to prove BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. BC square means this side BC square, AC square means this side, AB square means this side. So we have to construct something. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. So we are drawing this one perpendicular to BC AD. Prove. In triangle ABD and CBA, see ABD, this triangle, ABD, this triangle, and CBA means whole triangle, this one CBA. So in these two triangles, what you are observing here? Now you are observing angle ADB and BAC, both are 90 degree. See ADB, this is 90 degree, and BAC, this is also 90 degree, means both the angles are 90 degree. And angle B is containing both the triangle. This is the B and this is B, so B is the common angle. So in similarity we have learned, if any two angles are same, then these two triangles are similar. This is called AA similarity, means triangle ABD and CBA both are similar. If both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding parts are proportional, means AB, we are taking this AB side and we are taking this CB side. So AB by CB is equal to BD, this one, and this is BA or AB, means BD by AB. Now use cross multiplication, you are getting AB square is equal to BC into BD, make it equation 1. Then in triangle ACD and BCA, ACD means this triangle, this is your ADC triangle, and this is BC means whole triangle. In these two triangles, what you are getting? Now again we are observing 90 degrees in both the triangle, in D and here in A. So D and A are corresponding, this one. So ADC is 90 degree and BAC is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, and C is common in both the triangle. So angle C is equal to angle C. So we can say these two triangles are congruent, similar. ACD is similar to triangle BCA by AA similarity. So their corresponding sides ratios are proportional. In AC, we are taking this in AC, and we are taking this BC, AC by BC, and CD, we are taking CD, and then we have to take CA or AC. So what we are getting, the AC multiplied AC is AC square, and BC into CD. This is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is AB square is equal to BC multiplied BD, and equation 2 is AC square is equal to BC into CD. Add both. So we are getting AB square plus AC square BC into BD plus BC into CD. So BC is the common, BC is common, so take out common, and inside your BD and CD. Now see the figure. BD plus CD is equal to what? It is BC. BD and plus CD, if we add, then it is your BC side of original figure. So we can say BD plus CD is equal to BC. So at last what we are getting, BC into BC is BC square. So from where we get AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square, hence proved. So according to the statement, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. This is the result that we have proved. This is very important question. Generally it is asking during the board examination, so you have to learn it. Thank you for watching.